Welcome guys. A student of Santi Niketan have taken part about the topic of leader should be academic or leader should be social worker. Let them
Principal, vice principal, teachers, and my lovely friend, I would like to thank Mr. Lakshman sir for giving me an opportunity to express my opinion on the burning issue. On the burning issue, political leader should have must academic qualification. Academic leader is very important for our country. Academic leader have the ability to communicate well and motivate team. Academic leader is the main infrastructure of development. Academic leader play a great role in development of our country. Academic leader of a country take a decision which is required and benefit for citizen. Academic leader can create a vision and motivate people to make a reality of our country is also in problem like corruption because of lack of academic leader in our country. If number of academic leader increase, all the social problem will solve. So at last I would like to say academic leader is very important for our country. Thank you.
Respected teachers and friends, thank you Mr. Lakshman sir for giving me this platform to present my view on the topic. As we know, leaders are social workers who need to be equipped with leading capacity rather than academic certificate. Leaders are for people and for the development of the society. To develop a society, it is not necessary to have academic certificate. It just need leaders to be aware about the social problems and their solution. The academic certificate.
Now I am going to presenting my view. In the beginning, first of all, I would like to say academic leader is very important for our country. Academic leader have the ability to communicate well and motivate team and handle and provide responsibility. Academic leader the main infrastructure of development. Academic leader play great role in development of our country. Academic leaders of country take decision which is required and benefit for all the people. Academic leader can create vision and motivate people to make reality. Ladies and gentlemen, I will like to give you some example. USA, United States of America, which is the United States of America, which is most strong and developed country in the world. That's why you know that's the reason behind it, because of their academic leader. Academic leaders have the knowledge about how to successful and growth development of our country. Did you know why our country is not developed? Because due to lack of the challenges of academic leaders. Because a real academic leaders always work for team and work for nation. Our country is also problem like corruption because of the lack of academic leaders in our country. If the number of academic leaders indicate, all the social problem will be solved. Today our world is connected to the science and technological world, which brings the role of education. In every sector field there will be needed academic leader. Without academic leader there should not be possible of development of our country.
On the topic of social worker is better than academy, first of all I would like to make aware of what social worker actually means. Social worker are professionals who aim to enhance our all well-being and help meet basic and complex needs of communities and people. Social worker focus on helping people overcome difficult challenges in their life. This include poverty, education, unemployment, disability, abuse, mental illness, and many other. Social work also places a strong emphasis on social justice and equality. Social worker degrees don't only focus on supporting people but on training and cooperating with them in an effort to change their environment.
To speak about the academic leader is better than the social worker leader.
Respected chairperson, teachers, and my lovely friend, today I am very happy that I got a golden opportunity to say something in front of you. I am going to deliberate a short speech on the topic of social work. Before beginning, I would like to introduce you to what social work actually means.
Good morning, respected principal and vice principal, teacher, and my lovely friend. As we know, education is very important for everyone. Education gives us knowledge for what is wrong and right for citizen. Academy, a qualified leader, take right for citizen. Thank you.
Respected chairperson and my dear friend, today I am going to tell about social worker. A social worker is a practice-based profession that promotes the social change, development, and empowerment of people and the community. Social worker practice involves the understanding of human development, behavior, and the social, economic, and the
leader is better than social worker. As we know, academic leader is most qualification on study. Academic leader is good for a society and country. Leadership is not a job, it is a responsibility to grow up society and country. Academic leader is giving to well education to our country. Academic leader is giving to importance of society of study in our country and giving well opportunity to educated people. Academic leader is must be followed to economic grow up.
Very important for everyone. Education given is knowledge for what is wrong or what for citizen. Academy qualification leader take right. Thank you.
Are professionals who aim to enhance overall well-being and help meet basic and complex needs of communities and people. Social workers work with many different populations and types of people, particularly focus on those who are vulnerable, oppressed, and living